So I'm going to be building Lego Indiana Jones from Lego Indiana Jones motorcycle chase. I don't really know which movie it's from, but it's a Lego Indiana Jones motorcycle chase thing, and I think Indiana Jones's dad is in it too. So this is what it's gonna look like. The side carriage is where Indiana Jones's dad would go, right in here, and then this is where Indiana Jones goes on the motorcycle. Okay, so let me just take this apart real quick, then I can start. Okay, so first what we're gonna need is a motorcycle. But so after that we're just gonna, so technically this is the first piece. It's this little X on one side and the circle on another. And then next we're gonna get like this little kind of two-piece, but with like the hole hanging off of it. So and then we're gonna get an actual two-piece and then put it on top like that. And then we're gonna put the circle through. One sec. So we're gonna put the circle side of this through it like that. And then so that's gonna be the part that connects the motorcycle. So next we're gonna get one of these squares with the little bit smaller square in the middle. It doesn't really matter what color it is, because you're not gonna really see it. So after that, you're just gonna get one or two of these 4 long ones and put them on this right here. So now that's going to be the side that's right here. It's gonna be like that. So now we're gonna get for the seat, we're gonna get this piece. So and then we're gonna put, for the seat, it's gonna go like this, the slanted side right like this on piece of like that. And then we're gonna get one of these 2 pieces, large, and then we're gonna put that actually right behind that blue piece or the seat piece. Then we're gonna get then we're gonna get 2 of these pieces and then put them together like that, and then put that right on top of there. Okay, so now we're gonna get now we're gonna get one of these pieces and one of these pieces, and then we're gonna put this right on this like this. Okay, and then we're gonna put that right there like that. So now you're gonna actually flip that over, and then so it's gonna go so here, let's put the motorcycle there too, like that. One sec. Okay, so it's gonna look a lot like that, but that's just the underside of it. So first we're gonna get some wheels like that. some of those kind of wheels like that. But and then we're gonna get two of these squares and put them on these wheels, and then you're gonna do that again like that. Oops. Like that. And then we're gonna get the first ones and put them back here like that. And then the next ones we're actually gonna get them and put them like this. So we have that little 2 spot right there. And remember that thing that we built in the beginning? Like that. That thing? That's gonna go right here. Like this. Okay, so that's what's going to connect it to the motorcycle. So this little spot, this little X spot on the motorcycle is how you're going to connect it. So you're going to connect it together like that. One sec. Yeah, see, like that. So Indiana Jones is basically just going to sit right there. So, bye.